Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm hungry. What a surprise. In this video, I'm sharing with you 7 steps to prepare for your semester abroad. Also, if you are looking for more advice, more tips, if you want someone to talk to about your study abroad, feel free to join my free Facebook group, Girls Study Abroad. It's such a great place and you really need to join. So let's get started. So the first step to prepare for your study abroad is to think about accommodation. Once I had my unconditional offer, I was then ready, or I was then able to apply for student accommodation. Obviously, it depends whether your university has student accommodation, but most universities do, and I always recommend you for the first year abroad, or if you're only doing a semester abroad, go into a student house because it's so much easier and you meet a lot of new people. The second step is to think about insurances and to get all your bank stuff ready, so like all your paperwork. Do I need a travel insurance? Do I need a health insurance in my country? Do I need insurance for my luggage or for my stuff? For me in Scotland, you don't need a health insurance. You sign up or register here at the doctor and you are covered in the National Health System, I think, NHS. So getting a credit card, that is super important to get a credit card because you can use it everywhere. Oh, and also I almost forgot that for all international students with like insurances and the boring detail obviously also comes a visa, so take care of your visa. The third step for preparing for your study abroad is a fun step, and it's actually to look for flights. So I recommend you to look for flights as early as possible because it's just true that flights, the earlier you book them, the cheaper they are. And also figure out how are you getting from the airport to your accommodation. Have your address printed out just in case, I don't know, you lose your phone or your phone dies. You can show to your taxi driver. Also, if you're in a country you know where they don't speak your language, all of that is possible. Really figure out and plan ahead because that will take so much stress of you. And I know that once you arrive in your study abroad country, you're so like excited and you're maybe tired from traveling, and the last thing you want to do is like worry about, oh my gosh, how I will get to my accommodation because I'm so tired and I just want to sleep for days, okay? Don't want to do that. Fourth step, to start thinking about what to pack. How many suitcases will I take? Can my mom send stuff after me? How long will I stay? Do I need to leave space on my suitcase? Should I buy something? Okay, that's also a thing. And if you want to know my 5 essential travel things that I would really recommend you to get for study abroad, feel free to check out the video I did on it. Start as early as possible, and also because it's exciting. Like, I love packing. Like, packing is just pure excitement for what is yet to come. My 5th step for preparing for study abroad is to do research. What I did, I joined a lot of Facebook groups, which was actually pretty cool. We had like a Facebook group for my accommodation, and through that Facebook group I was actually able to meet my flatmates in advance via Facebook, which was super cool. My 6th step to preparing for study abroad is to write a bucket list. So after you've done all of your research, you've probably so many things that you want to do. Restaurants you want to go to, cafes you want to go to, activities you want to do, day trips. Really enjoy this preparation time and be excited and set fun goals and make it as great as possible. And then my last but definitely not least step for preparing for the most amazing semester abroad is to spend time with your family and friends at home. So chances are you won't see your friends and family for quite some time. Go shopping with your mom and also with your friends. Why not have a barbecue and like a garden party, or go to your favorite restaurant. I can just tell you it is vital and it's beautiful and it's so nice, and yeah, it's just so important. So now you are honestly set. Okay, set for study abroad. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you super very soon. Bye!